Today we're creating a simple yet elegant border pattern that's perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to your projects. First, I'm folding the fabric edge by 1 inch to create a clean hem and pinning it to hold it in place. Then I'm securing the fabric within my 8-inch wooden hoop for stitching. Now let's prepare our thread. I'm using the darker brown floss to start, and I'll be using 4 strands. To separate the strands, I gently pull the skein apart and carefully slide out 2 strands. Let's begin with the blanket stitch. Bring your needle up through the fabric from the back. Then insert the needle back down a short distance away, making sure to catch the loop of floss with your needle. This creates the first stitch of our blanket stitch border. Continue stitching the blanket stitch along the edge of the fabric, keeping your stitches evenly spaced. Now we're going to create decorative knots along the blanket stitch border using the light pink floss. Bring your needle up through the fabric at the base of the first blanket stitch. Then wrap the thread once around the needle and pull it through, creating a small decorative knot. I'm placing 2 of these knots at the base of each blanket stitch. This will add a decorative touch and also help to secure the blanket stitches. Continue stitching the blanket stitch border and adding the secure knots along the edge of the fabric. You can repeat this pattern as many times as you like to create a border of your desired length. This border is incredibly versatile. You can use it to embellish the edges of garments, such as sleeves, necklines, or hems. It's also perfect for adding a decorative touch to home decor items, like pillowcases, tablecloths, or curtains. And it would look lovely on accessories like scarves or bags. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!